welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I am back and I am coming to you guys with a Fashionnova haul. So fall is coming, and honestly I am so excited because fall is like my favorite time of the year. You get to wear your combat boots, you get to wear your cozy outfits because bitch, I am so ready for fall. So I have picked out a few outfits and I really hope you guys enjoy the video. So I'm going to show you a few pieces that I actually picked for myself. I have been really loving the two-piece set outfits from my last video. You guys really liked it. I honestly felt super confident wearing those kind of type of outfits. So I said to myself, you know what, for fall I definitely need to get a few pieces in my closet of those outfits so I can have some. But I also wanted to keep in mind the cold weather, when it rains, when it's cold. But you know, here in California sometimes it's like really freaking hot. A lot of you guys ask me like, how do you do it to like wear sweaters? I'm so used to it. Like, you guys have no idea, I'm used to it. So I can actually go out and wear a sweater and I'll be fine. I don't know, it's just, I'm weird. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I chose my first piece and I'm gonna show you guys like on my side here the full outfit, me wearing it. This is a two-piece outfit. This one I believe still has a tag. This one is called, oh, the tag is covered up, soft feeling sweater pants set. So it's a off the shoulder set. This beautiful color, I really like the color. I feel like it's a very fall type of vibe, so I kind of wanted something like this. Very comfortable. I love it because, you know, on my stomach area, you guys know that, like, you know, that's like the area that I'm still like not happy with. This one actually makes it look really flat, as you guys can see. You guys gonna see like right here, it makes it look really flat. I really feel sexy and confident in it. I can definitely wear this. I feel like I can actually dress it up with some heels, or I can wear my combat boots as well. Or if I want to keep it kind of casual, I can just wear my sneakers, like my Nikes, my Air Forces. Definitely can dress this or dress it down as well. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. So this is a beautiful set. I really like it. I got it in a size medium. Then I also got a coat. This one I really was like keeping my eye on it. I had it for it to email me when it came back in stock and never did, and I wanted it in a medium because now I have downsize on clothes. So I decided that I was just gonna go for it and get it a large. I mean, it's gonna keep me warm and I can just wear it as an oversized, and the color is like bitchin', you guys. Like, I really like it. Fall type of vibes here. I really like it. Like, I can wear some jeans with it, and you know, my combat boots, my Doc Martens, and you will see in the video right here I'm wearing like a bodysuit with it, and I can wear my combat boots, or I can dress it up and wear heels. I can also wear it with some fox leather pants, like a white tee and this on top with some heels, or with the combat boots. I'm telling you, like, I went out there looking for something that I could actually wear my combat boots, because honestly my combat boots are like my favorite. So I picked this one. Definitely love it. I got it in a large. Like I said, I wanted to get a medium, but it never came back in stock. But you know, I don't have the patience to wait for it, so I was like, you know what, girl, let's go ahead and get it. Anyways, so the next time I got this top right here, well, this one is called, oh, I forgot to tell you what's the name of this one. This one is called, and anyways, I will link everything down for you guys as well. This one is called Fall Classic Shirt Jacket. So that's what this one is called. This one is called, I didn't take the tag so you guys can, this is the Checkin in Oversized Flannel Top. This one is beautiful. I had already gotten this once, but I returned it because it was way too big for my height. I'm like really, I'm 5'2", so I needed to get it in a smaller size, so I got it in a medium this time. I had gotten it in a large and it was, I'm too short, so it was really like kind of too long from the back. So I decided to re-get it as a size medium just so I can be able to wear it. As you can see here, you guys are going to be able to see it's a long sleeve. It's beautiful. I love it. Like I said, I can dress it up with some jeans. I can dress it up with some leggings and, you know, combat boots, or some fox leather pants with some heels, ready to go out, you know, looking cute, comfortable. I really like this one. So I'm so happy I was able to snag it. I had actually put it in my send me an email when it came back in stock, and once it came in stock I was like, I'm getting it. I also got this one. This one is a flannel as well. This one is called the new collection oversized flannel shirt. This one is so pretty, the color, I love it. And then the back, I really like this design. I kind of like to wear my flannels either on like a normal, or if I'm going out or something and it's kind of hot, I like to wear it on my waist, just tie it up like when we used to go to school and used to tie up your sweater like that. I like to do that as well. This one is very cute. Like I said, you can dress it up, dress it down, however you like. It's up to you, your style, whatever you want to do. I can definitely see a different things to do with this one. So yeah, so I'm gonna link that as well down below, and I got it in a size medium as well. I also got this two-piece. It's a crop top. I actually took the tag off, but I'll link it down below for you guys, the name of it as well. It's a set. It comes with the pants. They're very fitted, so I like that it kind of like hugs my shape, and you can see the curves and everything, and it's a crop top, so you can like wear it. You can definitely wear a jacket on top of this. You can actually wear one of those flannels on top, whatever, you know. This is really cute. I like it because I wanted something that I'm able to wear with some sneakers when it's raining or something. I can actually wear this, throw on like a jacket or something, and it'll look super cute. So yeah, this one I got in a size medium as well, but I feel like if you have big boobs, definitely get it in a size large, because with my bra I felt like it was really tight, so maybe without the bra it would have fit better. But I mean, I don't like to not wear a bra because my boobs are not like cute. So yeah. All right, moving on, I got another set as well. This one is one of my favorites as well. Very cute, comfortable. This one, I don't know did I take the tag off? I didn't. Okay, so this one is it's called Running From You sweater set. This is super cute and comfortable. I really like this set. It's see-through kind of for my butt. I noticed that you can see my underwear, but I mean, whatever, you know, it's cute. I just wear like a white or this color undies, or don't wear undies at all. Sometimes I don't wear undies, so yeah. It's very cute, crop toppy as well. The material is amazing. I like it. I can wear it when it's hot, or I can wear it when it's cold, because you know it's not thick and it's not like it's gonna make me sweat. So I really like this one as well. I got it in a size medium. All right, so I got this top. This one is I didn't have another hanger, so I couldn't put it in a hanger. This one is called Pauline Bodysuit. I decided to get some bodysuits because I like how my body looks in bodysuits, especially when I'm wearing jeans. So I got this one in two colors. I got it in black and in white. This is what the top looks like. I actually saw a girl on TikTok talk about these shirts, and she was actually wearing them. I was like, oh, I need to order me some. So I ordered two, the black one, and I got a white one that I already wore. I will show you guys a picture as well. I only showed you guys the black one, but the white one I wore it, and it's kind of like a little bit of dirty makeup on it, but I will show you guys like a picture of it so you guys can see. Definitely, I feel like bodysuits are in. I really like wearing bodysuits. I just feel like, you know, if I have to wear a faja or whatever, I can wear it and the bodysuit will still cover it, and I'll still feel comfortable with it. So I got it in two colors. I know they have it on a bunch of colors, but I mostly wear black and white, so I decided to get it in two colors. And I got them both in size medium. That's about it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know which one of the outfits was your favorite. Comment down below what else you would like to see in my video. Let me know if you guys are ready for fall, because honestly the heat is killing me. I am so ready for fall. Fall is like my favorite. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.